Okay, we're going to be working on the formative assessment for your PowerPoint project. So if you go into your BCA Advanced Opportunities Summer School, go into Files, under Class Materials, you're going to see PowerPoint. And here's this formative assessment. I would like to open that up and work off of this. So here's what we're going to be working on today, and you're going to create a PowerPoint for Contoso Food Services. All right. At the end, it should look kind of like this. So we're going to have probably 5 slides, a few things here going into them. So this is what it should look like at the end. So I'm going to start a new one. File, new, blank presentation. Okay, so then we're going to go back into the instructional piece. And there is a place in here where we're going to insert some slides that are already finished. They're already done. So we will be working on out of Teams here. There is going to be these other slides here. So if we go back, you'll want to download the PowerPoint, this boilerplate. So you're going to want to download this so that we have that available. Okay. There's like 3 slides there, something like that we're going to be using. All right. Okay, new blank presentation and save it as tray proposal. Okay, so then file, save as, put it somewhere that you're going to be using or know where you're going to find it. OneDrive, documents, maybe somewhere. Summer school. PowerPoint. Let's do, so that's my formative assessment completed. I'm going to do version 2. Okay. Apply the WISP theme and then the third variant blue tint. Okay, so insert, it's going to be under, there we go. Themes. The WISP theme, I believe, is this one here, WISP. And then we want the third variant blue on there. Okay. On slide 1, delete the title text and the title place box holder. Delete that. All right. Create a word art graphic using fill black text color 1 shadow preset. It's the first one in word art. And then type Contoso Food Services. So let's find that first. That word art black, it's the first one. Black color 1 shadow preset. Okay. And we're going to type in there in caps Contoso Food Services. All right. Make these changes to this word art graphic. Okay, we're going to set it to font size 56. We're going to put a purple accent 5 on there, a gradient with a linear down option, and a purple outline as well. Okay, so we're going to select that. We're going to set the font size to, I bet I could do probably a lot with this here. Maybe. I can set font right here. Right click on that. 56. We're going to fill it with purple. So we're going to go to the word art text fill. And we're going to look for purple accent 5 darker, 50%. That'll work. There we go. And then we want to do a text fill to a gradient using a linear down option. Text fill with a gradient and a linear down option. There it is. Again, text fill, gradient, linear option down. And then we want to outline it with purple accent 5. Shape outline, purple accent 5. Boom. Okay. We want to apply tight reflection. Touching effect to the word art graphic. I saw this. Okay, I think we're here. Tight reflection. Okay, reflection. Tight touching. Perfect. That first one right there. But I want it on all of them. Reflection. Tight touching. Boom. Okay. You can see now it has a little shadow down there. That's pretty cool. Alrighty, moving along here. We're now into type tray proposal in the subtitle and italicize it. Okay, so that's the next thing here. We're going to put into this subtitle tray call it proposal and then italicize the words. I can do that right there. Okay, it says next to center the word art above the subtitle placeholder. The slide below shows completed slide 1, so I should probably line that up with that there. Okay. You take this, and there should be a line, a vertical line when we get close. There it is. Okay, cool. Reuse slides from the boilerplate presentation. Okay, so I need to insert some more slides. I'm going to go and I'm going to reuse those. So this reuse slides is right here. And then I'm going to rearrange slides so that 2 becomes 3. And then 3 becomes 2, obviously. So I'm going to go to reuse some slides. You can browse here to find that. They should be in my downloads. Right there. Okay. And then I'm going to be able to insert these right here. But it did say that it wants to insert reuse slides 2 through 4, but make 2 and 3 different. So the 2 and 3 switch. So I'm going to insert slide 1, then 3, then 2, then 4. Okay, now I have these. That has got to come down, but that's not in the right spot there. Okay, perfect. Okay. Good deal. Now we need to format our presentation, things like word art, theme, font, etc. Okay, go to slide 2, make these changes to the text on the left and right placeholder. So slide. Oh, wait. This should not be here. We don't need that slide. That is not needed. So I'm going to delete this slide. That's slide 2 now. Okay. So on slide 2, it says here on the select all the text in the right and change it to 24-point font. So all this one on the right here, change this to 24-point font. Okay. Change the bullets to star bullets in the left placeholder. So make these stars. Okay, so I'm going to go to bullets right here. And here we go, some stars. That'll look just fine. Okay, stars. Go to slide 4, insert a text box below the picture that is as wide as the picture and then has some texts in there. Okay, so slide 4 text box as wide as the picture. So go to slide 4, insert. There should be a text box right here. Make it as wide as the picture. And inside there we type is this, shoot, right there. And I'm just going to copy that into that right there. And it's got to come up a bit so it fits. Okay. Format it. Okay, center the text in the text box. Apply a shape style of your choice. I'm going to center this. Center right there. And a text style of my choice. So let's see. No. Oh, where is my text style? All right, so these are going to be over here on this. Okay, so it says here, apply a shape style. Oh, a shape style. Format shape. Oh, there's our shape option. Okay, so that's how we do that. I'm going to... All right, I messed around with a little bit there. It says it is of my choosing. We just saw mine there. Okay, good enough. Okay, final touches. And add a slide, change the background. So insert it. All right, insert and automatically update date and slide numbers that appear on all slides except the title slide. Okay, so we're going to insert automatic dating. I saw that. Right there, date and time and slide number. Okay. So it says here updating date and time on slide and slide number, but not on the title screen. Apply to all. Okay, so then there we go. We popped them up. This bottom one doesn't have one. That's fine. It says here insert a new slide at the end of the presentation using a 2-content layout. So here insert new slide with a 2-content layout, which is right there. Okay. title of the slide, contact us. Okay. All right, easy enough. In the left, we put this. And in the right, we put that. Okay, so this is the stuff for the left. Not what I wanted. I didn't capture it. That looks horrible. I'm going to undo that. Control Z that, and then go back here. Control C. That looks a little bit better there, maybe. And then I'm not sure I want all the bullets. So let's take those bullets out and change into that. Okay, that looks better. Okay. Here's the email and sales, and websites. So this goes in the other side here. Okay, we want to make a hyperlink from the mailing address to the second slide. So here's the mailing address. Make a hyperlink. So right click on that. There should be a link. And it says to a place in this document, slide 2, which is our services. Hit OK. So now we have a hyperlink there. Apply a different background style to slide 5 to make it stand out. So let's go under maybe design, format background. Let's just do the format background to make it pop a little bit. Let's do some just different color on it is all I can. A little bit different. A little too dark. There we go. Okay. Now insert an image of food in the lower right of slide 5 and then resize it. So the lower right of slide 5, insert a picture of food art. So I'm going to do an online picture of food, I guess. See what they've got here. This looks good. Insert that. And I know it's too big. So let's, it did say we want to resize it to 2.5 inches high. So height. Okay, good. And we want it in the bottom right. Okay. Apply picture style metal oval. So picture format. Metal oval is this one right there. Looks like a plate. Okay. Go to slide 2. Apply the blue tissue paper texture fill to the box that contains the quotation. All right, so slide 2. And it said it wants the texture fill. Okay. So maybe texture fill, blue tissue paper. That looks pretty cool. Save your changes to the presentation. Okay, so that's it. There is your formative assessment in PowerPoint. When you get that finished, you can email it to me again. So we have our proposal, 2 columns, looks good. Check the hyperlink, brings us back to slide 2. Okay, great. So that is the formative assessment, part 2. Yeah.